Okay, Dave with Saddleback Leather. Let me show you this little baby here. But first, let me show you where I'm at. We are up in British Columbia, off the Pacific coast, actually inside the Pacific coast. This is Mears Island. We were dropped here about 3 days ago with a Coast Guard radio in case something bad happened. Here with the wife and kids. There's our bell tent we're staying in with a little stove in there. And this is our kitchenette. There's a little sauna in the back with a wood stove to heat up and paddle boards. And it's low tide now, so we're going to be in the mud here pretty soon. It's a really cool place. No electricity. It's off the grid. Well, there's solar panels, so we have little light bulbs. But anyway, let me show you this new little piece here. Check this out. Here's what we just took with us on this trip. This stays open. This is more the size for 1 or 2 people. Got some natural deodorant in here from we kind of like. My friend made this stuff. Brett Trout, nice job. I love this stuff. It smells like wood. We've got the toothpaste and razors and toothbrushes. Just kind of the basics. Get some Band-Aids in there. But anyway, this is what we brought with us. And it's kind of hard to buckle with one hand. So, let me see. Let me get it there. Yeah, I like it. It's more of a one person travel size, 1 or 2 person. We happen to have the whole families in here. Kind of being quiet because the kids are asleep. But I wish they weren't because they're little crabs and stuff. Check out that little fella. And then other little crabs. The kids love these little things. They've been exploring around. When the water gets low, they go and collect oysters. We had an oyster. They found an oyster. It's been really a nice time. If you ever get a chance, Tofino is amazing.